My name's Steve Umpleby. I'm the CFO for Tradition Group for the EMEA region, and I'm here at the IBM Business Analytics Day, partly as a speaker, but also partly to learn a few things. It's around finance transformation, and one of the things that we talked about earlier was how finance within Tradition has changed over the last 2 or 3 years. From a very much paper-based manual type process through using analytics, changing processes, changing people, to something that's a little bit more up to date. And we're still quite a long way behind, but what we've tried to do is we've tried to take our different and disparate data sources from HR or from expenses or from the general ledger or from the sales ledger or from our trading systems even, and actually try and get them to talk to each other and produce some sort of relevant information. And Cognos seem to tick the relevant boxes for us. So far, we've done our first phase. It's delivered some of the things that we wanted it to in terms of replacing some of the Excel spreadsheets, things like allocations, things like individual profitability for the brokers. And we're now looking at moving on to the next phases, which is taking the more complicated stuff, maybe doing a bit more budgeting and forecasting, and some scenario analysis that we need for our FSA reporting. So far so good. We're relatively early stages, but we've been using Cognos for probably 3 to 6 months now. We've managed to upgrade without too many problems, and all seems to be going fine. So I'm now looking forward to the rest of the day's events to see what I can learn.
We're here in London today at the BA Live for Finance, and it was my pleasure really to work with a number of guests, both Cognos customers, business analytic customers, and new prospects alike. We shared a bit of a vision for applying smarter analytics to some of the challenges that the Office of Finance faces. One of the key, lessons that we've learned in working with our customers is that there's significant gains in automating recurring financial management processes, and that often presents a challenge. Many of these processes are poorly automated today. They rely perhaps on personal productivity tools like spreadsheets. And yet the costs of doing things wrong, the opportunity to speed things up and make them more collaborative is a significant wellspring of efficiency and redeployment of, say, analytic opportunity for the Office of Finance. So I got to share a little bit around customer stories as well as new advances in our product portfolio. There are breakouts going on now where folks can learn more at the pedestals where we have IBM experts. So we're just thrilled to have this opportunity to interact with our customers so they can see how they can employ the latest in business analytic advances to improve their performance management processes.
I really enjoyed the BA Live for Finance event today. What it's offered me personally is it's always great to get up to speed with the latest products, the latest innovations, and especially the customer presenters and how they're using our software, how they're implementing any problems they've faced and how they've overcome it. Great for the other clients in the room, other customers in the room, but from my perspective as well as an IBMer, great to get up to speed and great for my learning within the brand as I'm new and I'm only just starting out. So from that perspective, really good as well.